Enjoying the natural sun ray, guys. Right. As I work inside, guys, I work inside every day. I'm under building, I'm under shed, hiding away from the sun ray. So this morning I said, let's get out, right? Enjoy the natural, you know, breeze, breathing in, breathing out. Yes, exhaling, exhale, right? By doing a little stretch, right? Enjoying nature, enjoying a little of this natural sun ray, right, guys? Yeah, we got to do this from time to time, guys. Comes out in the natural sun, get some vitamin D in the body, not to continue hide away from the sun, even though it is too hot. But a little sun in the body won't damage you, right, guys? Put on your hat, your sunglasses, yes, a long sleeve shirt, and your pants, along with your sneakers. Do some jogging, right? Do some walk, right, guys? Yes. I'm enjoying the nature, guys. Breathing. Exhale, hold. Oh, inhale in. Hold it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Exhale out. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Take it in again. 5. Let it out. Yes, guys. Yeah. Bust some sweat, guys. Yes, man. Guys, I'm asking you to do the same. Bust some sweat. Try and work off that, excess weight off of you, right? Refresh and rejuvenate your mind, guys. Yes, exercise is good for your mental, right? Yeah, man. Exercise your mind, calm your spirit. Exercise does that. Yeah. Straighten your overall body. Yes, guys. Your heart. Yes. Exercise. You know? Yes. Send blood all over your body, flowing freely, right? Yes, man. Works on your circulatory system. Exercise does all of that. So we got to come out and do a little exercise, guys. Right? Good for you. So nature is so beautiful, guys. Nature is so beautiful. Right, guys? Yes. Nature is so beautiful, right? Yeah. So beautiful, I'm telling you, guys. So we got to come on and enjoy it a little. Right, guys? Yeah. Enjoy it a little. Yeah. So I'm doing a little walking now along with it. So I did some stretch. Now I'm doing a little walking. Right? Look at me, guys. I'm perspiring. I'm sweating. Look at me. Yeah, I'm sweating. Yeah. Whew, I'm sweating. Yeah. So guys, thanks for watching. Thanks for listening. Please remember to like the video, guys. Share the video. Yes. Comment, right? Subscribe, guys. Look at my face. I'm wet. I'm wet. So you comes out, guys, and enjoy nature. Breathe in, out, exhale, right?